morning. It's day 2 of this Icelandic adventure, and today is the day, the reason that we came to Iceland in the first place. It is race day. So we all are chipped and we're ready to go for today. Feeling good, optimistic about the run today. It's looking a bit drizzly, a bit cloudy outside, so I'm hoping that it stays dry. We're gonna meet at the city center at 8:15 a.m. and we all start running at the same time around 8:40, of course in our groups of based on pace. We're not doing this for pace, we're doing this for fun. Seth and I are running the full marathon and Martin is running the half marathon. Right, that is what we like to see. Sun has come out, jackets off. There's no wind, which has been really nice. After we passed about the halfway mark there, the wind died off as we kind of went through the residential street. So this is where the push begins.